Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. Today I'm working on a cloche, and we have done this already back at Easter time in the spring, how to make this cloche. And it's simply a Dollar Tree margarita glass, a vase, and a lid to a mason jar. Okay, and if you can check out a previous video that I already have on YouTube, and I'll put the link down below how to do that. So what I've done is just repurposed my cloche from the spring that had a little bunny rabbit in there and some grass and a flower, and I've repurposed it with the new season coming in. So we have summer coming up, and I put a bag of sand in there from the Dollar Tree and a few fun items. As you'll notice, I have this really fun palm tree, and it is a stir stick, and I've cut it down. Okay, and here's another stir stick, and I've cut that down, the little flamingo. Okay, now you'll need just a little bit of ribbon, and that's how we're gonna create our towel. That's how we're gonna create our flip-flops, our book that we have in there. You can see a little book in there, and a handbag that I've created with some jute, a little hot glue, and a little tiny piece of some ribbon. Just a little piece. You can use whatever color you choose, whatever you like. And a really fun umbrella from the Dollar Tree. So pretty much this is a Dollar Tree DIY, except, and you're gonna need some seashells, except right here, I have this glass ball it's a unicorn mini bubble, and I got this from Tuesday Morning. And I'm reading the back, I'm sorry. So you can see these little balls in here. They have like little stars inside them. So I thought that was really cute for a beach ball. And that's our beach ball right here. Right there. And it's like a little shaker. So it's really cool. So let's get started. I'm really excited about this one. It's gonna be fun. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was fun making it. Alright, I have added something really fun to my channel. It is friend mail. So if you would like to write me, you'll be able to do that, and I will give you an address. And it is in the description below. I will have it also up on this video screen. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I want to thank you so much for this journey on YouTube. I've really met a lot of really fun, great friends. So until next time, be blessed.